Hi everyone, today we'll explore the best drinks for deep and restful sleep. These natural drinks use simple ingredients to calm your mind and relax your body. We'll also share traditional recipes that have been used for generations to improve sleep quality. A warm, soothing bedtime drink can make a big difference in how well you sleep. Stay tuned to learn how to make these easy, effective sleep-boosting drinks. The full recipes are linked in the description and pinned comments. Turmeric milk is an age-old Indian remedy for better sleep. Turmeric reduces stress and inflammation, helping the body relax. Warm milk increases melatonin, the sleep hormone, making it easier to fall asleep. Adding a pinch of black pepper helps the body absorb turmeric better. Drink 1 cup of warm turmeric milk 30 minutes before bed for at least 2 weeks for better sleep. Ashwagandha is a powerful Ayurvedic herb that reduces stress and anxiety. It balances cortisol, the stress hormone, and prepares your body for sleep. Warm milk with ashwagandha relaxes the nervous system, making sleep deeper and more peaceful. Drink 1 cup of ashwagandha milk at night for 3 to 4 weeks to experience better sleep and reduced stress. Chamomile tea is well known for its calming effect on the brain. It contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to sleep receptors and promotes relaxation. Drinking chamomile tea before bed reduces stress and helps with insomnia. Have 1 cup of chamomile tea 45 minutes before bed for at least 10 days to improve sleep quality. This warm drink balances blood sugar and helps the body relax before bedtime. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, preventing midnight wake-ups. Honey boosts melatonin production, making sleep deeper. The warm milk itself contains tryptophan, which aids in relaxation. Have 1 cup of this warm milk 30 to 40 minutes before bed for 2 weeks to see improvements in sleep. This soothing tea not only relaxes your mind but also helps with better digestion. It reduces inflammation, relaxes muscles, and relieves stress. Drinking ginger tea before bed improves digestion, preventing gas and bloating that can disrupt sleep. The mild spiciness of ginger also promotes warmth in the body, signaling relaxation. Have 1 cup of ginger tea 1 hour before bed for 15 days to enjoy a more restful sleep. A luxurious, golden drink that helps in calming the nervous system. Saffron is a natural mood booster that helps in reducing stress. It contains crocin and saffronal, which promote relaxation and better sleep. This drink also supports hormone balance, which is essential for a good sleep cycle. Drink 1 small cup of saffron milk before bed for 3 weeks to notice improved sleep quality. A herbal powerhouse that helps in reducing cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Tulsi, or holy basil, is a powerful adaptogen that reduces anxiety and stress. Drinking tulsi tea before bed calms the nervous system, helping the body relax. Its antibacterial properties also support gut health, which is linked to better sleep. Have 1 cup of tulsi tea 30 minutes before sleep for at least 2 weeks for best results. A digestion-friendly tea that also helps in calming the mind. Fennel seeds help in relaxing the muscles and improving digestion. Drinking fennel seed tea before bed prevents bloating, acidity, and gas, which can disturb sleep. The mild licorice-like flavor also helps in reducing cravings before bedtime. Have 1 cup of fennel tea 45 minutes before bed for at least 10 to 15 days to improve sleep. A tropical drink rich in magnesium, which supports deep relaxation. Papaya is rich in magnesium, which helps in muscle relaxation and stress relief. When blended with warm milk, it creates a naturally sweet, sleep-friendly drink. The enzymes in papaya also support digestion, preventing discomfort at night. Drink 1 glass of papaya milk at night for 2 weeks to help regulate your sleep cycle. Almonds are a great source of magnesium, which helps the body relax. Drinking almond milk before bed keeps blood sugar stable and reduces stress. The natural vitamin E in almonds also supports brain function, helping with mental relaxation. Have 1 cup of warm almond milk 40 minutes before bed for at least 10 days to improve sleep patterns. Rose petals have a natural cooling effect on the body and mind. Drinking rose petal milk before bed helps reduce stress and promotes relaxation. The antioxidants in rose petals also support skin health, giving you a beauty boost while you sleep. Have 1 cup of warm rose petal milk 30 minutes before sleep for 2 weeks to feel calmer at night. Lavender is famous for its calming scent, but it also works wonders as a tea. Drinking lavender tea before bed helps in reducing anxiety and improving sleep quality. It also soothes the digestive system, preventing nighttime discomfort. Have 1 cup of lavender tea 1 hour before bed for 15 days to feel a difference in your sleep cycle. Warm drinks, like milk or herbal teas, help relax the body and promote deeper sleep. Herbal teas, such as chamomile or ginger, not only reduce stress but also aid in digestion, ensuring a restful night. Magnesium-rich drinks, like almond milk, help relax muscles and prepare your body for sleep. Rose and lavender have calming effects that soothe the mind, making it easier to drift off to sleep. Try these soothing drinks for 10 to 15 days to notice improvements in your sleep quality. Small changes in your nightly routine can lead to deeper, more restful sleep over time. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. If you found these sleep-friendly drink ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit. Remember, good sleep is essential for overall health, and these simple changes can make a big difference. Stick with these drinks for a couple of weeks and see how your sleep improves. Make sure to subscribe for more tips on health, wellness, and easy remedies. Leave a comment below and let me know which drink you'll try first. Take care, sleep well, and see you in the next video.